Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Taco A Valve. But this is where we at, guys. I'm gonna try. This is the whole point, the whole main point of the video. We're gonna rebuild this box, and I have some Gorilla Tape, and I have some weather strip foam. So what I'm trying to do is rebuild this box, because if we're gonna use this Mark 4 heater box, I already feed them in there, and you guys saw my video that this box fits in there. I had to cut right here and put like a little hanger because it need to be seated like down low a little. And also you guys can see this is from the Mark 2, and the only thing I had to do is drill a hole. Well, actually I didn't drill a hole in this piece. I don't know why it's like too bright. I don't get it. Why it's too bright? But anyways, I know it's sunny. But we need to take this and hold on, guys. Let me prepare the phone. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're gonna have to take it apart and go from there. Okay, guys. So again, this is where we at right now, and we're gonna try to remove all these screws. And I already show you guys we are making the how far we are making it with bullet. I don't have a cameraman, but this is where we at. So first of all, the Mark 2 bottom piece has to be removed. This one I added to here because you guys saw it fits perfectly fine into the Mark 4. So the only thing I had to do is just drill a hole, which is already here, and I just drill a hole through this part. You guys can see right here. I just drill it through. So this is out. This is out of here. I'm gonna move you guys right here. Don't wanna fall. Also, I'm gonna take the front one too. Two screws, two tiny screws. This is also Mark 2, and it fits into the front of the Mark 4 heater box. We're gonna have to put the weather strip in here as well. So we're gonna try to make this box to work perfectly fine. So you know what happened with this box? The 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 foam the Volkswagen put in this box, this foam right here, guys, that goes right here. It falls during the time, and all this foam that is covering this whole. I don't even know why Volkswagen did this, but I would just have to, not do this, just making it like one completely piece. So all that foam, which is right here, you guys can see all this foam, it fall, it's being blown into your face, and look, it's just dust now. All that foam is being blown into your face. I already removed the harness, so let's put them over here, and let's start working to finish to remove all the bolts. So we're gonna rebuild this box. This one right here is also Mark 2, the front one. It goes right here. It fits perfectly fine. So it looks like Volkswagen hasn't changed the design yet. But the front one fits, the top one fit, the bottom one fits into the Mark 4 heater box. So same design. We're gonna have to remove the heater core, guys. The heater core is easy. This only has 2 clips. There you go. This one still look good. I don't see no problem with this one. Little dirty right here, but it looks pretty good. So we're just gonna put them into the side or to the side. This heater box has a screw right here between the heater core and that hole right here, guys. Look where I'm pointing. You gotta take that. If not, you're never gonna get this box open. So before that, I'm gonna remove every single one all the way around. So make sure you don't mismatch or misplace the position. Let me flip this. Let me see. Nothing. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's for the. There's 2. So I guess there's 3. Okay, 3. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this. Save him because it's totally fine. It's completely good. Let me flip this box or move it right here so you guys can see that there's the resistance right here, the electrical resistance for the fan, the blower. This one looks all right. I've seen worse. This one gets really bad. So this one looks all right, not too bad. Now the fan will come out like this. Still good, not crooked or anything, no noise. So let's put them to the side and let's keep going, guys. Right here, this little motor is the one. It controls the flapper, the flapper flipping the recirculating air from the cabin and the outside temperature, whatever. So this one only has 1 screw, and here's the thing: you can mismatch this, guys. This you just pull them out, and it has his own notch how it goes, so you can't put it wrong. So this one you safe. You are safe on this, and look, it just like open and close. So we good on that. And remember, now we're gonna do the screw right here. There it is. And I guess you can open this right now. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, we are in big trouble now. And now let's take a look. Wow. It's really, really bad. I don't want to remove the cables, I don't want to lose the position. Oh, look, this one comes loose like this. So for this, I got the Gorilla Tape. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna pull this AC condenser, and look how dirty and ugly it looks. So I'm gonna try to clean all this. So look at this, it's clogged completely. So that's why sometimes you don't get like good enough like AC on this units. I'm just gonna put them into the side. And I believe this also comes up like this. This is the one. These 2 plates is the one we're gonna put the Gorilla Tape. But look at this. Look at this, guys. Very, very bad. Okay, that is open. Now, let's cover this. I'm sorry. Okay, let's move this one a little bit here, down a little. So I have done this before. It's pretty good. I mean, it holds pretty good. This tape is very strong, so it holds pretty good. Let me put them. Let me put this over here for now. What I'm going to do is use acetone to clean whatever oil that's in this plate, because we're gonna need to put like a nice coat in this. I don't know why Volkswagen did these holes into these plates. I would just do nothing, just one plain plate, that's it. Also clean here, because this is the one that divides the cold and hot. See, that was the rest of the foam in here. Nothing else. Completely. This heater box, if we put them like that, we're gonna have a problem in the winter time to warm the car. Also, in the hot weather, summer, this will not keep up with the AC. You're gonna think the AC is the problem, but it's not. It's this piece allowing the cold and hot air mixed together, and you barely have AC. So, that being said, let's tape them. This this tape is pretty strong, huh? I'm telling you. So what I'm gonna do is just oopsie. I'm just gonna put them uh like no like this, I guess, or like this. Fold it from the back, and then do this. Okay, you see? I thought I have a blade somewhere. I don't know where I put 'em. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So check this out, guys. We're just gonna cut it not on the edge, because we don't want to peel it. We're gonna cut it. Look, guys, we're gonna cut them like right here, not on the edge, because we don't want that when it gets hot, this thing gets peel it. So look, you make sure it's all nice like that. Do the same thing for the other side now. Wow, this thing is strong, man. Yeah, hi, man. We are right here working. So you put them like this, flip this, do the same thing. Not cut it like on the edge, but you cut them like close to the edge, but not on the edge, because this might peel when it's open and close. So now we're gonna make sure it's all tight and everything. We're gonna test them, because I don't know if this a little bit of tape right here on this area will cause to drag when it's open and close, and it's not working the way it should. Let's do the same thing on this other side, guys. Always leave a little bit hanging on the other side, so you can do the trick for Okay. Okay, like this, guys. It's sunny today. A little bit hot. Oh, excuse me. There you go. Make sure all this is. So when you do this, and from both sides, he is holding together himself. You know what I mean? And you test it. You test it. If it needs to be trimmed somehow, you go ahead and do it. Make sure you don't forget where this thing was, like me. What? I'm really confused. Oh, it's this right here. No? I guess it's like this, but I didn't pay attention. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it works. It works, guys. So this will allow you to have cold and hot. You see right here, it passes through here and it returns right here. Only heat, nothing, no AC. I mean, I'm sorry, not heat, AC only. Right here, heater. So there you go, guys. That was pretty cool. I think I'm gonna cut this, the rest of this off because there's a lip right here that is hanging, so I don't like that. So we got one down, almost. I'm just gonna trim this edge. There you go. Let me put them right here before I forget. Now, let's do the other one. Same way. This video is gonna be a little bit long because I'm gonna do the whole process. Okay. Okay. Wow, guys, I really recommend this glue. Oh my, I mean this tape is so strong. I hope it doesn't fall when it gets hot or warm. But I don't think so. Sometimes I use the HVAC tape, the one that is metallic. But this, I think it will work just fine. It's just air, and it never gets like really hot. So I'm just gonna do this. This is the one that divides this flapper thing. It's the one that divides the air for up and down and floor and whatever. I did a mistake right here, man. So there you go. Come on, man. This is so hard. Yeah, I don't think I will be able to get him straight anymore. I'm sorry, guys. This is hard. Okay, there you go. Finally. So that is the whole point of this. I just want you guys to see how I do it. Now, let's cut the leftovers. Let's cut the leftovers. You see, and test them. Test them and see how it looks. There you go. So this one's being controlled by this, and this one by this one. Okay, so now that we have both done, I guess I can put it together now. But I'm just gonna clean the. I'm just gonna clean the what's it called the. I don't like that. I should not cut it this edge right here because it's really not really efficient. I don't know. Well, I guess I'm good right here. This is perfectly fine. So in this one, I'm just gonna add this edge that I cut. I should not cut it because it's not necessarily, unless this is wrong, it's backwards and it's supposed to be like this. It probably like this, guys. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna check this one if it has that flapper thing right here, and it looks like it does. It looks like it does have that thing in there. So never mind, guys. We good. We good in there. Remember, I didn't remove the cables, so I haven't lost the position of this. I haven't. So let me clean this condenser the best I can and come back with you guys. So bear with me. Wow, this thing is dirty, man. It's got some human hair right here. A lot. So look at this right here, man. It's no good. So I'm gonna try to clean it the best I can, man. Because we really want this to blow nice and cool air, not stinky. Because sometimes this right here makes the air to smell, and I don't like that. You can't even see this chunk that is about to release. Like this. So I'm using Purple Power. I think I'm just gonna have to use the vacuum for this. Oh my goodness, it's bad. It's in the thing. So I think there's a spray for this. I don't know how good it might work on this case. This is not that bad, guys. I've seen way worse than this. So bear with me. Well, here's the condenser clean. I tried to do my best. So better than how it was before. So at least you now can see the bottom. So let's go back together. Well, guys, there is the heater box. Heater box has a rebuilt. It has a taco rebuilt in it. I leave the heater core in there because I didn't see no problem with this. And yes, I'm gonna use the Mark IV hose connectors, and also Mark II heater box. I mean, this Mark IV heater box, the way I set up, it's gonna be very easy to replace this. That's there, and guys not gonna be able to see the front because it's way inside there, the little thingy, but they are working. I put the foam right here. Oops. Where it went? I dropped it. Oh, right here. It's not really sticky, or I guess I have to press it like really good. Am I gonna put some glue in there? But or when I put pressure on it against the cluster, I mean the dash, it might stay in place. But that is it, guys. Just wanted to show you that I did this. It's not hard. I also put the foam right here on this where it's gonna meet the car. And that is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.